ABC Reading Hub. Hi kids, adventure! Today we're going to learn about English alphabet. The letter A. A is for ant. Ant. The letter B. B is for bear. Bear. The letter C. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillar. The letter D. D is for dog. Dog. The letter E. E is for elephant. Elephant. The letter F. F is for frog. Frog. The letter G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. The letter H. H is for horse. Horse. The letter I. I is for iguana. Iguana. The letter J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. The letter K. K is for koala. Koala. The letter L. L is for lion. Lion. The letter M. M is for monkey. Monkey. The letter N. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. The letter O. O is for owl. Owl. The letter P. P is for panda. Panda. The letter Q. Q is for queen bee. Queen bee. The letter R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. The letter S. S is for sheep. Sheep. The letter T. T is for tiger. Tiger. The letter U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. The letter V. V is for vampire bat. Vampire bat. The letter W. W is for whale. Whale. The letter X. X is for extra fish. X-ray fish. The letter Y. Y is for yak. Yak. The letter Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thank you, kids. Until next time.